Hello everyone. Today I am going to demonstrate a video on accuracy, precision, percent error and significant figures using kitchen scale. My group member will demonstrate a video but he will using a digital balance. Now we will see what is the objectives of this experiment. The objectives of this experiment are to use the appropriate equipments, volumetric equipments such as kitchen balance, measuring cup, digital balance in a correct way, and also to learn how to measure using kitchen scale and digital balance. Moreover, the main objectives of this experiment will be to learn and to identify how to calculate and measure the significant figures in proper way. Okay, let's start our experiment first. Before start this experiment, I would like to mention some safety precautions that we need to follow. First, it will be wear a lab coat, and we need to also wear gloves to protect our hands from any injuries. Okay, let's start our experiment. First of all, I need to clarify the apparatus that we will use in this experiment. First, the apparatus is kitchen scale, an empty container, measuring cup, tap water, tumbler, and also a plastic cup. Okay, now we see really the apparatus that needed for this experiment. We will move on to the procedures that we need to do in this experiment. First procedure that I am going to proceed is weighing out the empty container. Now let's see how is the weight of the empty container. The weight of empty container is around 80 gram. Okay, now I will record the gram of each apparatus in result part. So later then we will use the result part to calculate the standard deviation for the experiment. Okay, now I am going to take in the second reading of the empty container. First I take the first reading of the empty container. Now I am going to take the second reading of the empty container. So let's start. Yes, the second reading of the empty container is still same with the first reading. Okay, now I am going to record this in the result table. Okay, now the second part of this experiment is measure the tap water using a measuring cup. So let's start. Okay. Now I am going to using meniscus to check whether the tap water I pour into the measuring cup is correct. So we need to pour some little bit to reach until 100 ml. So I am going to drop few tap water. For this we need to we need to drop the water slowly, not very fast. Okay, measuring cup, I reached the 100 ml of tap water. Okay, now I am going to transfer the 100 ml of tap water in empty container. Okay, I am done with transfer the 100 ml of tap water in empty container. So now we see how is the weight of this empty container plus with 100 ml of tap. The weight of this empty container plus 100 ml of tap water is around 180 gram. Okay, now I will do the same thing, record the gram in result part. Okay, after that I am using another equipment ware. Okay, we can use any equipment ware that available in our home. Now I am choosing tumbler. It's easier because it's available at home. Same thing, I am going to measure 100 ml of tap water. I am same thing. I repeat the procedure just now for the empty container. Transfer the 100 ml of tap water in tumbler and just repeat the step again, weighing the weight of this tumbler and the 100 ml of tap water. Okay, we can see that the weight of the tumbler and 100 ml of tap water is around 180 gram. This is the reading is for first reading. Second reading, we need to do the same steps. We just follow and repeat the steps. Okay, now lastly I am going to weigh out the plastic cup with 100 ml of tap water. Same step, I need to again measure the 100 ml of tap water. Okay, the weight of this plastic cup and 100 ml tap water is 200 gram. Most probably the first reading for the apparatus we measure. For the second reading, we just repeat the steps we are proceed just now, and we get the result that the first reading is same goes to the second reading. Okay. The reading was recorded in the table in result part. Later, the result will be going to use to calculate the standard deviation, relative standard deviation, and coefficient variation, and also mean, to identify which measurement scale have the perfect accuracy. From this lab experiment, I learned that how to use the equipment's proper way, and also how to calculate the significant figures and numbers, and also the formula in correct way. Later, in discussion part, we will discuss on the accuracy and the standard deviation curve. Okay, my group member Naqib Aiman will proceed with the same procedure with using digital balance. Okay. Later we can compare the measurement of kitchen scale and digital balance. Okay, that's all from me today. Thank you for giving me to demonstrate this video. Hope we see in next video. Okay, now we are going to proceed with the procedure with Naqib Aiman video demonstration. Thank you so much.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh to Madam Irma. My name is Naqib Aiman bin Roslan. My metric number is 23 DPT 19F1004. Today I will carry out the experiments, which is accuracy and precision in a measurement. So I will introduce to you the materials needed in this experiment. Okay, so this is a empty container. Okay, so this is a measuring cup with a scale, and this is a tumbler, okay, with scale, and this is the cup with the scale. Okay, so this is the water, and lastly digital balance for weight the materials that's contain the water. Okay, so I will start with the first material, which is empty container. So I will weigh this empty container on digital balance. Okay, so first of all I will turn on the digital balance, and after that I will weigh it. Okay, so I get a 5 gram. Okay, so I will record in the book 5 gram. So I will do a second reading for more precise. Okay, so that's same step to do. Just turn on the digital balance and weigh it. Okay, so we can get the same reading. 5 gram. So we will go into the second material, which is a measuring cup. Okay, so I will take this water, blue water, and pour into the measuring cup, and after that I will pour into the empty container. Okay, so I will pour this water into the measuring cup until 100 milliliter. Okay. Stops. Okay, after that I will pour into the empty container. And turn on digital balance and weigh it. So I get 91 gram. Okay, 91 gram. Okay, so for more precise, I will take for second reading. Okay, so that's same step. Okay, just pour until 100 milliliter. Right. And I will pour into the empty container. So weigh it. So I get the same reading, which is 91 gram. So we will go into the third material, which is a tumbler. Okay, so I will pour this water into the tumbler, then I will transfer into the empty container. Okay, so I will pour this water until 100 milliliter. Okay, so we'll turn on the digital balance. After that, we'll transfer into the empty container. And we will weigh. Okay, so I get 104 gram. Of this measurement. Okay, I will pour this water until 100 milliliter. So I will transfer into the empty container. Then turn on the digital balance, and after that we will weigh it. Okay, so we get 106 gram. Okay, so we will go into the last material, which is a cup. Okay, so we will pour this water until 100 milliliter. And after that, we will transfer into the empty container. Then we will weigh it. Okay, so we get 108 gram. We will take for the second reading for more precise of this measurement. Okay, so that's the same step. Okay, we will pour until 100 milliliter. Then we will transfer into the empty container. Then we will weigh it. Okay, so we get 110 gram. Okay, so it's done for today. So I have already recorded in this book, and I will doing for calculation. Okay, so thank you for your attention, and bye.